In this video, you're going to learn how to create a list of 20 video ideas in less than 5 minutes just by doing some competitor research on YouTube. So if you'd like to get this spreadsheet that you can see on screen, I put the link to it in the resources section of this video, and you can come in and just click File and make a copy so that you can get a copy that you can edit for yourself. It's a pretty simple spreadsheet, to be honest, so you could probably just make this up yourself. The point is that we want to fill this out by looking at our competitors on YouTube. Now, if you're not sure who your competitors are, what you can just do is type in a product name, a topic name, or your service name. So for example, let me just take an example of a product, beard oil. Now, I personally don't have a beard, but I think it is kind of an interesting topic to look at. Now, what we can see here are a list of videos of people who've created videos about beard oil. And I think this is a great way to start thinking about video ideas, because you can really see already the type of videos that people have created around this product name or keyword. So just simply, what is beard oil and how to apply it? 122,000 views. I mean, that's a pretty simple video that you could make and attract potential customers. So what I'm going to do is just really take the title of this video and just start to paste it into my list. Now, I'm not going to be definitely copying these videos exactly. The purpose of this exercise is just to get a sense of the type of videos that they could make. Now, you can see that this is kind of an educational video rather than an entertaining one or a story brand telling video. And so we can just start to get a sense of what are the type of videos that we could make. Now, a great tip is, once you find a channel that you think might be similar to what you're doing, is you can come in to the channel, have a look at all of their videos, and come in and sort those videos by the most popular. And now all of a sudden you've got, even looking at these top 2 rows, 10 guaranteed video ideas that you could use to talk about your product or talk to your target market and that would be interested in that type of product. And once again, you can look through this. Maybe not every single one of these videos is going to be something that you could do, but when there is one, you could really just, how to trim a beard at home. This is an educational tutorials type video. I think something I could easily do if I was getting into this type of business. And so it's good just to take that URL then as well, so you can come back and look at this later. Now let's have a look at another example just to really show how easy this is to get a ton of video ideas from competitors. So let's take another product. This is actually something I was looking for, or something I was looking on YouTube for, and it's just wall filler. It's something to fill a hole in a wall with. And you can see that there are a lot of videos about this: how to fill holes in the cracks in walls, preparing walls for painting, how to fill a crack in a wall, how to fix small holes. So you can see, again, these are educational type videos where people are showing the target audience how to do something. And then once again, the product is kind of central to that. They say, if you want to get it, pick it up in the store or click the link in the description. So once again, for this type of product, we could just take this. Now, once again, we don't want to copy these videos exactly. We just want to get a sense of what are the type of videos that we could make. And you can come into the channel. Once again, you can come into the videos tab, come into sort by most popular, and you can see some of the other videos that are related that could pull that audience in if you had products or services or knew about that topic like that, and etc. You can just copy those in. So you can see, most likely here, these are the same product being featured, but just showing how to do 2 different things with it, or really appealing to different things that people will be typing in to YouTube. So it's very simple educational style videos. Now let's have a look at something completely different. Maybe not a product, maybe more like just an online tutorial. So let's have a look at Photoshop. So again, you can just type that in. up pops a channel straight away, Photoshop tutorials. You can just have a look at these guys, come into their videos, come into most popular. Now each row has 5 videos, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, there's 50, probably 100 video ideas here that you can just take, note down in your spreadsheet, and all of a sudden you have got your video ideas mapped out for the next year or so. So coming in, looking at competitor channels, I think is just the greatest way to quickly understand what are the types of videos that you could make that are proven to get views. Because if a video like this gets 2.9 million views, you can be guaranteed that if you make a video on that topic, you can maybe add your own twist. You can focus on maybe a particular feature of that. Something that you can do a little bit different can really pick up a huge amount of views as well, get you ranking in the search engines and attracting all of those potential customers. So now it's your turn. Come into YouTube, paste in your topic name, your product name, or your service name into the search bar. Have a look at those competitors that come up in the top of the search results. Come into their channel, have a look at their videos and sort by the most popular, so you can get a ton of video ideas in less than 5 minutes, and you pop them into that spreadsheet if you want to note them down.